Hello teacher, this video is answer the question last activity. Did you spend much money for your last trip? Was it a fair amount? The tour is no. I think I spent what is necessary to have a good trip and enjoy the different options that the tour offers. Did you go sightseeing of your last trip? What was the most interesting place for you? Of course, I visited Baru Beach and the Buritaca River which flows into the sea. It is incredibly beautiful. What are most visited place or tourist attraction in your city? In Cali, the stores of Christ the King, the Ponce River, the Jairo Varela Square. What the most incredible activity you did on your trip? What did you do? Getting off the floating banana in the sea was the challenge for me because I didn't learn to swim. What are the best things that have happened to you during your trip? Meant to. When traveling along the Caribbean coast, I was able to see the borders of Botero and several beaches, Coveñas, Boca Grande, Playa Blanca, and see the Legend of Medellin. Thank you.